Hello to everyone. I'm Akshata Bansal, and today I'm going to present to you an innovative yet a very simple solution for early layout area and post layout simulation estimation by schematic designers. So, in today's scenario, a handshake is required between the schematic designer and the layout designer for estimation of layout effects on the schematic design. This ECO can be very costly, especially for a sensitive design. It can take weeks of effort to stabilize the design when a significant sized design is involved. Also, we don't have an immediate feedback for the schematic design about the effects of layout on the schematic parameters. As you can see on the left hand side, today there's a multiple iteration involved between the layout designer and the schematic designer, where the layout designer sends back the post layout netlist back to schematic designer, who, based on post layout simulation, modifies the device parameters and sends the modified schematic back to layout designer for updated post layout effect analysis. This can take weeks of efforts on both layout and schematic designers' side to get an optimized and good quality product. We propose a methodology in collaboration with Pulsec team and with a tool that we call Animate Preview to eliminate this loop. So our methodology allows the schematic designer to generate a layout concurrently without actually having to make the layout. So the schematic designer can generate a layout and the results are given to schematic designer in terms of layout OA database, which he may save and then use automated scripts to extract the post layout effects and parasitics. On the top left hand, you can see how the methodology gives a preview of how the layout would look for this particular design. The schematic designer may do a right click and save it as an OA layout view for this particular schematic. On the right hand side on the top, you can see that we get an accurate estimation of area and aspect ratio for this layout topology. The methodology flow also provides schematic designer with multiple topologies based on the aspect ratio that would be preferred by schematic designer. The schematic designer may also add some constraints on his own, and it would be taken care by the tool, along with the constraints that are identified by the tool automatically. So as you can see on the lower left corner, the tool takes care of the constraints present in analog designs like current mirror, resistors, and parasitics. And it develops a topology automatically based on the constraints identified. And also it takes care of introduction of dummy on its own. So you may add some dummies at each row or each column, and it would incorporate it automatically. And when we save it, then it might also add a guard ring based on the constraints. Here we have taken an example of bandgap circuit. So on the left hand side, we have a layout generated by ModGen manually, and on the right hand side, we have a layout generated by Animate Preview. As you can see, the bandgap reference was taken automatically by Animate Preview, and also the capacitances were identified by the tool automatically. And the layout generated by Animate Preview was DRC correct by construction. For post layout simulation estimation, we have taken a simpler design of current mirror. So as you can see on the left hand side, we have a layout generated by Modgen, and on the right, we have a layout generated by Animate Preview. So you may notice that the area is almost the same. When we do post layout simulation on the netlist extracted from this layout, from these layouts, we can see that the results almost overlap. So we know that the results generated by Animate Preview are reliable for the schematic designers. We, of course, I would like to mention that this is not a production level um, layout, but it is almost production level, which is highlighted by the results. And this layout may also be used by layout designers themselves as a starting point, and they can improve upon it as they build their layouts. So, in conclusion, we have developed this uh, methodology with help of Pulsic, which reduces the design time or the development cycle by almost 2.5 times. And once we have the routing also automated inside Animate Preview, we hope to increase this gain significantly. We were able to reduce the ECO efforts in ECO and the design cycle by eliminating the loop between layout designer and the schematic designer. So thanks a lot for hearing my presentation. Please do let me know if you have any questions.